Do you struggle with making the right decisions? Do you find yourself constantly second-guessing your choices? Well, you're not alone. The good news is that becoming a better decision maker is not as hard as you think, and we are here to help you. In this video, we will show you how to take 3 easy steps that will help you make better decisions every day. Step 1. Gather information. The first step in becoming a better decision maker is to gather as much information as possible. This means taking the time to do your research, talking to experts in the field, and gathering all the facts you need to make an informed decision. It's important to remember that the more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make the right choice. There are many ways to gather information, from reading articles and books to conducting surveys and speaking with experts. When doing your research, it's important to look at multiple sources and consider a variety of perspectives. This will help you get a well-rounded understanding of the situation and the options available to you. One of the best ways to gather information is to talk to experts. This could mean reaching out to industry professionals, consulting with mentors, or talking to people who have experience in similar situations. Their insights and advice can be incredibly valuable and can help you see the situation from a different angle. Another important part of gathering information is to look at data and statistics. This can give you a clear picture of the situation and help you make informed decisions based on facts and numbers, rather than just intuition or gut feeling. Whether it's market trends, consumer data, or financial projections, data and statistics can be incredibly helpful in making smart decisions. Make sure to always prioritize gathering information when making important decisions, and you'll be sure to make the right choices for your future. Step 2. Consider your options. Once you've gathered all the information you need, it's time to start weighing your options. This involves considering all the pros and cons of each option and thinking about what each decision will mean for your future. It's important to take the time to fully evaluate each option and consider the potential impact on your life, your career, and your goals. A helpful tool in evaluating your options is to create a list of all the possibilities available to you. Write down each option and then start to assess each one. Consider the benefits and drawbacks and think about how each choice will impact your future. For example, if you're trying to decide between 2 job offers, consider factors such as the company culture, the job duties, the compensation, and the location. Once you've considered all the options and their potential outcomes, it's time to narrow down your choices to the ones that make the most sense. This could mean choosing the option that offers the most benefits, or it could mean eliminating the options that simply don't align with your values or goals. Keep in mind that there's no one right answer. The decision you make should be based on what feels best for you. It's also worth noting that this process of weighing options may not be a one-time event. Sometimes it's necessary to revisit your decision and reassess your options as new information becomes available or circumstances change. The important thing is to stay flexible, be open to new information, and be willing to make changes if needed. Take the time to evaluate your options, create a list of possibilities, and choose the ones that make the most sense for you and your future. Step 3. Trust your instincts. Finally, it's time to trust your instincts and make a choice. After gathering all the information you need and weighing your options, you should have a clear understanding of what you want and what is best for you. It's now time to take action and make a decision. Trusting your instincts is about having confidence in yourself and the choices you make. It means letting go of any doubt or fear and embracing the decisions you make with a sense of self-assuredness. When you trust your instincts, you are more likely to make bold moves and take calculated risks, which can lead to great success and fulfillment. Remember that making decisions is a natural part of life and that everyone makes mistakes. The key is to learn from those mistakes and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. By trusting your instincts and making bold moves, you'll be able to achieve your goals and live life to the fullest. Of course, making decisions can be difficult, especially when the outcome is uncertain. But remember that you've done your research, considered your options, and made an informed choice. Trusting your instincts and making a decision is an act of courage and self-belief. So don't be afraid to make a bold move and embrace the choices you make with confidence and determination. It's now time to take action and make a decision. Trust yourself, be bold, and embrace the choices you make with confidence and determination. By doing so, you'll be able to achieve great success and fulfillment in your life. Becoming a better decision maker is all about being informed, considering your options, and trusting your instincts. With these 3 simple steps, you'll be making smarter decisions in no time. So go ahead, take control of your future, and start making the right choices today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.